The strategic and geopolitical future of the world. The world order is collapsing and a new one is being born. You are watching Global Affairs Tonight, and I am Dr. Bravo. Ladies and gentlemen, history is changing before our eyes, not slowly, not quietly, but violently. The global world order has ruled the world for decades. It is cracking now. The alliances are shifting, the economies are fragmenting, the battlefields are expanding, and most dangerous part is most people still do not realize it because the next world war may not begin with soldiers crossing border. It may begin with a cyber attack, a satellite collapse, an AI controlled weapon, a financial sanction, or a digital currency war. Welcome to the geopolitical future of the world, a future where artificial intelligence may become more powerful than the nuclear weapon, a future where semiconductors are more valuable than oil, a future where data is power. China is rising with extraordinary speed from the South China Sea to Africa. From technology to military expansion, Beijing is preparing for a century of dominance. Meanwhile, the United States is fighting in preserving its global supremacy through NATO, Indo-Pacific alliances, economic pressures, and technological containments. And trapping between them, the world is splitting into vital power blocks. Russia confrontation with the West has accelerated global instability. Europe is militarizing again, and the Middle East is redefining itself. And BRICS nations are openly challenging the Western financial order. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not longer just politics. It is global strategic survival. The next battles will be fought over. They will be fought for microchips, water, rare earth minerals, energy routes and the corridors, space dominance, cyber warfare, and of course, the artificial intelligence. Even space itself become a militarized zone. Satellites are now strategic weapon. Digital infrastructure is now national security, and cyber warfare can cripple entire economies without firing a single bullet. But perhaps the most underestimated threat is climate collapse. Water shortage, food insecurity, mass migration, and economic collapse. These crises could destabilize governments, ignite civil unrest, and trigger future wars across vulnerable regions. And then comes South Asia, one of the most explosive geopolitical fault line. India and China competing for dominance, Pakistan balancing strategic alliances, Kashmir remaining unsolved, military modernization accelerated, nuclear deterrence growing more fragile. One missile could shake the entire region. But aimed the global chaos, Pakistan holds extraordinary geopolitical significance, connecting China, Central Asia, the Middle East, and the Indian Ocean. Pakistan stands at one of the most strategic crossroads on earth. Its stability, economic reforms, and strategic vision align. Pakistan could emerge as a crucial and critical geopolitical connector in the new world order. Ladies and gentlemen, the future belongs to the nation that can adapt faster than the crisis itself. Military power alone will not guarantee survival. The winner of 21st century will be those who dominate technology, economy, intelligence, energy, diplomacy, and strategic influence, because the future world order will not be built by the weak. It will be shaped by those prepared for chaos. And right now, a silent geopolitical earthquake is reshaping this planet. The only question is who will rise and who will disappear. Stay awake, stay engaged, stay tuned, and keep watching Global Face tonight. Subscribe.